This video will walk you through the different parts of the evaluation. At the top of the panel evaluation, you'll see that there's a section for brief summary of proposal objectives and a brief summary of the overall evaluation. Before the panel meets, we will copy some information from the proposal into the proposal objectives section. We'll want the panel to condense this to half a page or less, as well as change the tense and pronouns to be consistent with the rest of the evaluation. We don't really want any evaluative statements here, just a statement of this proposal objectives. You'll also want to fill in the brief summary of overall evaluation, which will be a collection of the topic sentences from the rest of the review. This will be the very last thing we do before we finalize the panel eval, so that way you don't have to rewrite it. This will be based off of content that you've already generated. When you're writing strengths and weaknesses, please do not simply use bulleted or numbered lists. Rather, we prefer that you use grammatically correct sentences arranged in paragraphs, with one paragraph per finding. Paragraphs should start with an evaluative topic sentence and then continue for 2 to 3 sentences elaborating on the topic. Please put the topic sentence in bold if the strength or weakness is major. The summary of the review is going to be formed from these topic sentences. It's important that your topic sentence have the what and the why in order to stand on its own. So in this example, this proposal would quantify the effects of condiments on hot dog consumption. That tells us something about the proposal, but it doesn't tell us why that's important. So we would like to see something added, something maybe like, which is not well understood, but would provide new information beyond what is already known. Or provide no new information beyond what is already known. On the panel evaluation form, you'll see blue text that you'll be able to remove. These are instructions for the panelists. And then black text, which will be there, kind of delimits different sections. That we'll keep. At the end of the evaluation, you'll see a voting breakdown. We'll want you to include all of the panelists that are voting. That includes the primaries and secondaries, as well as the other panelists that vote. And then on the section for individuals present but not voting, you'll want to include anyone that's in the virtual room. This may be people that are program officers or the executive secretary. Whenever you are recording the votes in the score, we want you to use X's so that it is very easy to determine the median. Thanks.